The behavior of some South Africans against African migrants are sickening. The government in that country need to take action against those racist vigilante groups that are targeting other Africans in the name of cleaning up. Cleaning up the African migrant in the African country. This video of a woman which her baby, who they believe is not South African, was attacked this week in Pretoria. Her street business was destroyed. No police to protect her because they said she's a foreigner. Those of us are acting like they are in a jungle, not in a country. But when even the government media write those type of headlines, this is very scary. And this video also was recorded the same day in the same area in Pretoria, where a Mozambican national was attacked.
Namo! Hey, man! Sister! Hey, what's that? Mozambicans, fucking go home! Astati, mababuyele makubo. Mababuyele makubo.
Weeks ago, the same attack happened in Soweto by the same vigilante group financed by someone from the government, by the politician of that country.
Hey, isukile bheka nababale. Isukile. Isukile. Itswe, nizohamba nina nonke. Naba bayabaleka. Hey. Sazobaleka nizobuyela Maputo nina.
How can you attack an innocent woman and call it cleaning up? This is exactly what happened during the genocide in Rwanda, and this needs to stop. The South African government needs to react before it is too late. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.